It's still raining. Short bike vlog only for today. Bring Lancer, my bike, to Tambay Cycling Hub for an overhaul service. Maybe we can goof around BGC for a little bit. Here's my bike. So in total, I have around 3,000 kilometers of mileage. I still haven't removed the baggage tag from my Bicol ride. Flat. Hey, got a flat tire at the start of the ride. Good way to start. Also took the opportunity to bring my other inner tube. So vulcanizing shop, patch it right away. Okay, we are at SM. SM ang ano. So traffic. This is where we turn left. Right. We are now in Pasig. So we're done goofing around in BGC. Pupunta naman tayo sa Tambay Cycling Hub for a bike overhaul. Before I forget, I'm bringing with me some jackwire cables and also some bar tapes. Another right. Akit pala dito. So, ingat lang kayo. So when you see this signage crispy box, then you know you're there. And we're here. Nag-chat po ako dun sa messenger po. Pinapakaba mo ako eh. Kinabahan ako dun ah. Napabili na ako sa Shopee eh. Okay. Ayan, bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. Iwanan na kita ha. Bye-bye. So, syempre, kumuha din tayo ng sticker. So, tambay tayo. Bawal yan ah. Bawal yan dito. Nandito yan, Shabunoki. Our ride is not complete without crispy box. Kalapit lang talaga siya here ni Tambay Cycling Hub. Open na ba siya? Ang init sa Pinas. So this is avocado flavor. Boss. Definitely worth it. Let's go meet my friends. So currently waiting for my movie driver. Ito na yata siya. Ano, Beansikleta. So I'm back here at Tambay Cycling Hub. So excited na ako ma-meet si Lancer. Okay na? Ayos na yung habol, thank you.
Testing ko muna.
Okay na yan, tiwala na kita. Galing na ako dito pare. Nagpalit ako nung... Uy, ganda. Sige. Thank you. Sige, pwede pa ano na lang sa... Sige. Babayaran ko pa yun. That's it for Tambay Cycling Hub. Tapos siya mapa-overhaul. Bigay ako ng review pagka test ride ko sa kanya. Okay, gabi na. It feels like my bike is in brand new condition because they've made a great job again. So thank you. That's it for today. I really like the color of my bike, particularly the handlebars. So much brighter color para mas ma-distinguish ng mga drivers pagka nagra-ride ako. Thank you for watching. I will rest na and see you in the next long ride. Goodbye.